Y'all say I never shout y'all out. I'm shouting out people now. Southwood, if you fuck with me, I fuck with you, man. Snowwood, the Gardens of Oaks. Y'all already know what it is. All y'all females from Southwood, y'all know me. I fuck with y'all. Everybody in SC, I fuck with y'all if you fuck with me. But just know that if you ever cross my path, I ain't trust your ass, nigga. I ain't trust you anything. I'm gonna trust you now, nigga. But anyway, Low Country was popping, the whole Low Country. Bluffton, Hilton Head, South Carolina. Now I mean, I'm a New York nigga. Nah, I'm a South Carolina nigga. I'm an everywhere nigga. Y'all never there. Y'all should know that, man. So holla back. SC, NC, Georgia, Florida, Arkansas, Missouri, whole East Coast. Y'all should know Mr. Bentley be there. I'm everywhere, man. I'm gonna sit down, have a snack with my daughter, man. Tired. In loving memory of Charles Patrick, it says. That's Buttercup. We smoothing on y'all, man. How we do, how we does. But maybe it's because I got the fanny pack on. Not the fanny pack, but see my bag, man. Y'all see my bag. But that's her bag. My bag, but it's her bag. She my seat. I'm carrying her. We out here moving on y'all, man. Fuck with your boy, Mr. Bentley Brain, nigga. YouTube it, nigga. YouTube Ron Bleed, that's me. It ain't no more the bleeds, man, but me. So any bleed after this, you're copycatter, man. You wanna be like the kid. You heard? Slim, catch up, nigga. I'm smooth on you, dad. You don't make the moves I make, dig. You don't make the moves I make. I do family time and grind time and party time all over this motherfucking world time. After I get these papers, though. Holla back. I'm out.